Okay, hello, this is Dr. Janes, and today I'm going to talk about how to side load programs or load programs from like websites or other places other than the Google Play Store, and you have to do some special things to be able to do that. Onto your Android phone, this is a Oreo, it's running Oreo 8 point something or other, and so it may be different on other Android operating systems, but that's what I'm going to do this example on. And let's get started.
Okay, so here's an Android phone, and we're going to learn how to sideload applications onto it, or load applications not from the Google Play Store, but from the internet or other general locations, and should be interesting. Okay, so today this is Dr. Janes, and I was going to talk about what happens. This is Google Hangouts. If you want to get a Google number, you can have a second number on your phone. You can actually do calls over the internet and other things. And here's a call to Walmart. And so we get this message. Outbound caller ID not active. Outbound call for phone, blah, blah, blah. So if you call anyway, okay, you can still make the phone call, but it's going to block your number, and you can't receive incoming calls when you do that. So let's see how we can try to fix this.
Okay, so the internet suggested several ways of trying to fix this, and I tried all the ways and I was unsuccessful, but I'm going to show you how to sideload something because that was one of the suggestions that they suggested trying, and they suggested sideloading Google version 24. The older versions might still work because it used to be you could call out and receive calls on your tablets or whatever with the free Google number, but I think Google has done something on their end to disable it. I'm not sure, I'm still looking into it, but I'm going to show you how to sideload programs. And so you can't download Google Hangouts, the older versions, from the Play Store, but you can go into the internet and download them, but there's some special things you have to do to be able to do that, and I'm going to show you how. Okay?
And further research on the web said that possibly if I go to Google Hangouts 24 and use that one instead, that one has outbound calls enabled properly. Okay. Okay, so I guess in order to download apps like the Google Hangouts 24, an older version of the application, you have to enable your phone to load side apps from a website. And so I'm going to swipe down from the top and push the gear here. And then we're going to go into apps and notifications. Okay, and we're going to scroll up to advanced apps. Okay. Special app access. Okay. We'll click on that. Then we'll click install unknown apps. Let's see, where is that? I guess it's at the bottom. Okay. And we'll say from Chrome, I guess. Allow this source. Okay. So now with that set up, we should be able to sideload apps. And so I guess we can go back and try to install our Google 24 and see if we can get that working. Okay, so I guess let's probably go back to this original page where we downloaded it from. Maybe we can install it through Google Chrome. The other one's having a problem. Okay. Well, this looks like a 24 version. Okay. This file, do you want to keep Android, Google, so this looks like the right one, so we'll click OK to keep it. And we'll try opening it through this app. Do you want to install this application? Okay. Oh, see, we had to do it through the Google Chrome, it looks like. Okay, let's try opening it. Okay.
Okay, so anyway, it looks like unfortunately I wasn't able to solve this Google dial-out problem, but I was able to successfully sideload apps, and if you have other apps on other web pages that you want to put onto your Android device, and they're not on the Google Play Store, you know, because that's a simple way of doing it, this method should work with them as well. So I hope this helps, and this is Dr. Janes, and thanks for watching.